authentication keys. We also upgraded the S21 series privacy features for the pictures and text files you share. Now you'll be able to remove location metadata from photos to keep your location private. And if you have photos, videos, or text files that you want to share with friends, but you don't really want them to keep, we've got a solution for you. With Private Share, you can share your content and revoke access whenever you please, or just let it naturally expire after 2 days, worry-free. With our Knox security and super intelligent processor, the Galaxy S21 series is our most private and powerful yet. And S21 and S21 Plus will last all day, even in a 5G network. 2 years ago, we launched the first commercial 5G smartphone, and our leadership continues with hyperfast 5G, engineered to give you the best network experience possible. 5G will unlock faster and more connected experiences, giving more of what you love with less lag. That high-level connectivity makes the S21 series the perfect phone for everyday mobile gaming. As you know, we've been collaborating with Microsoft to bring you Xbox games on mobile via the cloud. 5G makes it possible to take your favorite games with you while keeping them fast, smooth, and stunning right on your phone. And that's not the only gaming experience our S21 devices lets you enjoy. We continue to partner with Unity to build the ultimate mobile gaming experience. With Unity, we developed adaptive performance, giving you the games you love without the battery drain or overheating you find on other devices. With this package and our new powerful processor, the graphics get better, the phone stays cooler, and gameplay gets faster than on previous Galaxy devices. Adaptive performance has been applied to over 100 titles so far, and this list will only grow in the years to come. With ultra-high performance on our best-ever processor, an everyday game will take you on an extraordinary adventure. The S21 series offers the most powerful Galaxy devices we've ever made, inside and out. From chip to camera, they are truly exceptional smartphones that let you turn every day into an amazing experience. We know you need technology that makes your ordinary moments extraordinary, and that you want to enjoy delightful experiences. That's why we've built One UI 3.
Are you ready? Count 1, 2, 3, stop!
One UI 3 takes the digital experience to the next level. It's ready to delight users with a refined design and empower them with enhanced customization. Our latest UI mixes style and function. With its fluid design, you'll feel the difference right at your fingertips. Comfort and efficiency were our top priorities. Take a look. The new design has so many enhanced visual effects. It allows you to focus on the task at hand and put your eyes at ease. The lock screen now comes with new widgets. You can see more without even unlocking the phone. Swipe open and your home screen can be personalized, right down to the level of widget transparency. Message notifications are grouped together at the top for faster, easier access. Flip between music, turn frequently used functions on and off quickly, and focus on your call. Transferring data from your old device can be a chore. Simply connect, select, and the rest of your new device setup is easy. One UI 3 totally transforms the mobile experience across the Galaxy devices. One UI 3 makes you smile with dynamic images that change every time you unlock it. And it keeps bringing you joy with a camera to capture the moments that matter with One UI 3's AI-based support. One UI 3 will manage your favorites easily through the new gallery. It even handles low-resolution photos, like the old ones on your social media feed. One UI 3 takes your communications a step further. Add emojis and stickers while you type, or customize your calling screen with photos and videos. Need some downtime? Just you and your game? We got you. Your device blocks calls and messages and manages resources for optimal gaming conditions. Get totally into your game and take it next level. One UI 3 provides seamless continuity between phone, tablet, and computer. Use Samsung reminders with Microsoft and manage them on apps like To Do, Outlook, and Teams. Start a project from your phone and finish up on a tablet or PC. One UI 3 will analyze usage patterns to help you better manage your digital habits, and your phone can stay in optimal condition through device care. Simple, elegant, and easy to navigate. A pleasure to use and customizable. One UI 3, delivering delightful experiences. Designed by you.
As you can see, One UI 3 is easy to use, customizable, and aesthetically pleasing. It's full of smart features that will make your experiences more epic. Just think about your photos. Have you ever experienced that moment when you capture a perfect picture, but there are strangers walking around in the background? Too often, our shots are almost perfect. And with Object Eraser on One UI 3, your phone will do the task for you. Here, let me show you. I just simply tap the people I want to remove, this guy and this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right? From your photos to your gallery to the interface itself, One UI 3 brings joy to your everyday, and you will be one of the first people to enjoy the full experience with the S21 series. S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th. S21 and S21 Plus are breakthroughs in smartphone technology. They have an intense refresh rate, 4 cutting-edge camera lenses, and performance powered by a secure processor to keep you more connected to everything you care about.